Is there any specific objective or randomly you have simply chosen EC? Huh? Job? You wanted to get a job through EC? Listen to me carefully. I don't spend much time. How many EC students are there in college? You are 120. Your seniors 120. Your super seniors 120. Their seniors 120. So all 4 years 120, 120, 120. Not just in our college. In the entire Telangana region, how many students are pursuing EC? Approximately some more than 20-30,000 students. Even I can tell you around 40-50,000 students are pursuing EC. Am I right or not? Do you agree with me? 40-50,000 number of employment opportunities are there in EC in state of Telangana? No. Then what shall we do? You think about IT, computer, sir. You think about electrical, sir. Think about mechanical. Then what will you do? The best option for everybody is, rather depending on someone, you can start up your own enterprise. That's what actually the concept of entrepreneurship. You are in the very first year, right? You will be having lot of programs in the organization. Okay? Lot of programs you will have. Lot of programs related to R&D, research and development. You are just into very first year. You focus on first, second, third, fourth years very effectively in creating things related to your own discipline. Okay? So by the end of your fourth year BTech, you should be able to have a small startup by your own. Clear, right? So that you can become self-employed and you can be able to provide employment opportunities to others. Understand? Who is our Prime Minister? What is his objective, you know? Can our Chief Minister Revanth Reddy provide crores of employment opportunities to his people? Our population is around 4 to 5 crores. Every year around 50 to 60 lakhs of people come up with their degrees. Can state government provide all employment opportunities for its people? Can central government provide crores of employment opportunities for its people? In government sector? No. What is the best possible way for providing employment opportunities to its people? Private sector. Whom we can depend on? Only Ambani, Adani, Tatas, Mahindras, and all these people? No. What is the difference between India and China, you know? What is the difference between India, China, India, Russia, India and America, you know? You don't know, right? The people of so-called other developed countries always think about becoming independent. They want to have their own life by themselves. They never wish to work under someone. China is the best example. You go any nook and corner of China. Okay? If in your village or in your town, in any village, in a small lane or a small kind of thing, you can find a small temple or you can find a small mosque or you can find a small church. Yes or no? But you go China, in every small lane, you can find a small startup. There are 5 different kinds of 4, especially 4. Teeny, micro, small, large, medium. Teeny is a very small unit where one person will work on it with one assistant. Next, small industry, small scale industry, medium scale industry, large scale industry. Initially, you start with teeny unit. Teeny unit is a very small unit where you can develop some microchips, where you can develop some very related to electronics. Right? Then you can convert it into small scale industry, then medium scale industry, then large scale industry. So develop an attitude of becoming entrepreneur rather searching for an employment. Yes? You are into very first year, right? You have very ample time, 2-3 years of time left in your hands. You make use of all resources we have. You make use of all laboratories we have. You make use of faculty we have. You make use of all R&D, research and development programs happens in our college. Think big, understand all your subject concepts very well so that you can get an idea to develop something new. Understand it? Are you able to follow me? Unless you understand the concepts, basic concepts of your subjects, you will never get an idea. Creativity should be there in every mind. That comes only when you understand the concepts very well. So in every class, in every lab, you pay complete attention towards them, understand the concepts well, and during the process of understanding, you will find some gaps. మనకు అనిపిస్తుంది అరే దిస్ వుడ్ హావ్ బికమ్ మచ్ బెటర్ ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ యాడెడ్ టు ఇట్. దెన్ యూ కెన్ వర్క్ అవుట్. Got my point? I'll tell you, I attended a program, MSME, Micro Small and Medium Industries. నాకు అర్థమవుతుందని నేను చెప్పింది. అటెండ్ అయిన తర్వాత మీరు ఎంటర్ప్రినర్షిప్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ వన్ ఓరియంటేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇన్ ఎంటర్ప్రినర్షిప్. సో people are trying to come and go.